Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corporation. This is a follow-up video to one that's been previously posted. We've just finished rebuilding this Hockmeyer laboratory dissolver. We've added a 4-inch dissolver blade. Has a 2-horsepower explosion-proof drive. We replaced all the bearings, mechanical components in it, gone through the machine. It's in super shape now. Sounds a lot better. Has a variable speed that's operated manually by the handle up here. It's a typical mechanical variochrome pulley system. The handle you see in the center of the machine raises and lowers the head so you can change your mixing vessel. We have lots of dissolvers and all kinds of mixing equipment in our stock, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.